Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to print from Google Sheets, or GSheets as a lot of us call it. If you've ever struggled to get your spreadsheets onto paper just the way you want, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know 3 different ways to start printing, plus how to make sure your printout looks just right every single time. Alright, let's jump straight into it. So let's say you're working in your Google Sheet and you're ready to turn your digital work into a physical copy. There are actually a few ways to get started with printing, and I'll walk you through all of them because everyone's got their own habits or preferences. First up, the classic route, using the File menu. Start by moving your mouse up to the top left corner of your screen and clicking on File. You'll see a drop-down menu appear, and from there just scroll down and select Print. This is a really reliable method, and it's great if you're accustomed to looking for print options in menus, especially if you're coming from other programs like Microsoft Excel or Word. It also helps keep things organized if you like taking things step by step. But hey, if you prefer a visual cue, there's an even quicker method. Look towards the toolbar at the very top of Google Sheets. You'll notice a little printer icon. Just give that icon a click. It might seem like a small thing, but having that icon up there saves a few seconds each time, and over the course of a busy week, it adds up. Plus, you don't have to go hunting through menus if your hands are moving fast. Now, for those of you who love keyboard shortcuts, and honestly they can be such a time saver, there's an even faster way. Simply press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, that's Command+P. This shortcut pretty much works across a ton of applications, so once you get into the habit, your fingers will remember it before your brain does. I use this one all the time when I'm in a hurry or if I've got a bunch of tabs open and just want to zip right to the print screen. No matter which route you take, File menu, print icon, or keyboard shortcut, Google Sheets will launch a print preview window. Don't worry if it takes a second to load, especially if your sheet is on the bigger side or has lots of formatting. This preview is actually really important. Think of it like holding up your document before making copies, just to make sure everything looks as intended. Here, where you can check things like what pages will print, how your columns and rows are breaking, and more. Now, before you hit print, take a moment to customize your settings. Depending on what you need, you might want to adjust page orientation, margins, or scale, especially if your spreadsheet is wider than a single piece of paper. Maybe you only need to print the first few columns, or you want to fit everything on one page so you save paper. This is your chance to make those tweaks, and even if you're in a rush, it can save you from wasted prints or missing info. Once you're happy with how your print preview looks, just hit Next in that window. This will take you to your actual printer setup. Select your printer, check your preferences one last time, and then click Print. That's it. Your Google Sheet will be on paper in just a few moments. So whether you're prepping reports, sharing class data, or just organizing your own life, printing from Google Sheets is really pretty straightforward as long as you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Got any questions or maybe a trick you love for working with GSheets? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.